teachers and my dear students and the distinguished guests and the honorable villagers present here. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We all know that today is our Independence Day. We celebrate this day every year by hoisting our national flag early in the morning. Now, I would like to say something about our country's freedom, about our country's independence. How did we achieve independence from the tyranny of the British? Do you know? India's freedom struggle is not the story of one person, one community, one religion. This is the story of countless brave freedom fighters, patriots, and men and women who sacrificed their lives for our country, for the independence. Do you know what are the contributions of Muslim freedom fighters for our country? I know you know about our history, but you will not acknowledge because you forgot this. Forgetting is your habit. Forgetting is not our habit. Where were you in 1857 during the first war of independence? Where were you? Where did you go in 1919 during the non-cooperation movement? Where were you in 1942 during the Quit India movement? You know all, but you will not acknowledge this, you will not accept. When Hafiz, Maulana, Mufti and the Muslim patriots, they took to the streets, risking their lives for the freedom, for the independence, but you will not acknowledge because forgetting is your habit. Forgetting is not our habit. You may forget Maulana Qasim Nanutubi, Maulana Mahmud al-Hasan Deobandi Rahmatullah Alayhi. You may forget. You may forget Hussain Ahmad Madani, Shah Abdul Aziz Dehlavi Rahmatullah Alayhi. Countless freedom fighters of Maulana Hafiz, Mufti and Muslim patriots, but you will not accept it. You will deny. But we will never deny our great leader Subhash Chandra Bose. We will never deny our great freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, our freedom fighters Lala Lajpat Rai, Khudiram Bose. We will never forget because our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us how to respect the people. Our Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us how to love the country. So we will never forget. They are the freedom fighters, Muslims, Hindus, Christians, Jains. It doesn't matter. They are in our hearts. We loved them. We love them. We will love them. This is our intention. Remember, India did not attain independence through specific any religion. Rather, India was liberated by the country's patriots. They may have been Muslims, Christians, Jains, Hindus, it doesn't matter. We believe this and we respect them and we follow them This is our intention because the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us. In the final moment of my speech, I would like to say, we were here. I mean, we were in India. We were here. We are here. We will remain, inshallah, as long as we live. We have sacrificed before. If the need arises, we will sacrifice again for our country, inshallah. At the very end of my lecture, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.